Hey guys, we're back with another video. Today we got a little short video for you. So I bought a couple of these batteries. I'm not exactly sure what the size is called. I'm pretty sure it's D size battery or something along those lines. But these were very cheap, and I needed D sized batteries for a specific device. So these were a pretty good deal on Amazon. They were about $13. It comes with 8 of them. It also says last for 10 years. So I bought these off of Amazon.ca. As I said, $13. Many people complained that these batteries were made a couple years back, so it's not really 10 years anymore when you buy them. Let me see. Over here it says 2015. I'm not exactly sure if it was made in 2015 or 2014. I don't know if that's what it means, or maybe if that's when these were put into shelves. But yeah, we're just gonna open this up. So we're just gonna make a hole right there. Many people also had an issue with the batteries itself being damaged, dented, or some of them had some weird discharge or something like that. But so far they seem to be alright. Quite hefty. It's a pretty heavy little packet right here. It's about, I'd say, 2 to 3 pounds maybe, I'm guessing. Yeah, they seem to be alright. They don't really seem to be damaged. I mean, well, the packaging wasn't really helpful. It was some thin bubble wrap. It's like one layer inside like one of those big letters. So this could easily be dented, especially if the packaging isn't really anything like solid to put around, you know? Anyways, so that's it. Those are the 8 batteries. They also had rechargeable batteries for $36 from, I forget the company, but they were $36 rechargeable, but it was almost like 3 times the cost of these, and you know, I'm not going to really use the device which these are going to be placed into that much, so these seem to be the perfect option. I'll have a link in the description below. It will be an affiliate link, and if you purchase from that link, you know, you support me. You know, all that money goes to my videos, you know, and I'm unboxing my videos and everything, so nothing is profit for me right now. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions about these batteries, will try to answer your questions, and see you in the next video. Bye.